Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to wacky destroy in Township Tale. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guide that explained how you can do that. Township Tale. So the question is, I've tried making no drop when death and succeeded, but the settings added materials to the bins outside the blacksmith. Anyway, I can grab more than just 30 ingots and 50 ore at a time or without cooldown and get rid of them. Thanks for your help. As you can see guys, this guy answered, go to the console dashboard at dashboard.townshiptale.com and log in, but also make sure you're logged into the game server. Then choose the server and click connect. In the console command bar, type settings, change settings server, community storage multiplier, and multiplier. 1 is the default multiplier, so to double change it to 2, then drop punches of ore on the ground and type Wacky destroy free punch. Thank you so much. Respect you, my friend. Does this command destroy just punches on the ground? Will it destroy backpacks lying around? Yes, just item punches. For backpacks, you do Wacky destroy free 35324 for common leather. Backpacks and Wacky destroy free 54214 for holder bags. Just note that command will delete the associated items as long as they are loaded. If there is a backpack at the bottom of the river, walk to the side of the river and use the command when the backpack loads in. It won't delete all backpacks or punches on the server that aren't loaded in. It also won't delete backpacks that someone is wearing or holding in their hands. Or I believe could be wrong. Backpacks that are on hooks. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.